and welcome back to my channel, friends. Have you ever made any craft using old playing cards? If your answer is no, then today I'll be showing you one such wonderful craft using old playing cards. Yes, you guessed it right. Today I'll be showing you decoupage on candle using old playing cards. Isn't it interesting? So for that we need very minimal things which I'll tell you. I'll be using one pillar candle on which I'll be decoupaging. Then these are some old playing cards, scissor, brush and Mod Podge. So before starting the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. So now let's get started. So friends, we all have such old playing cards at home which we no longer use and they are just lying at our drawers. So I thought, why not to make use of these playing cards and make some beautiful craft. So I have taken these paper playing cards. For this project you'll have to work with these only. You can't use the plastic coated playing cards because you can't do decoupage with them. So these are a bit thicker, and with this thickness we can't do decoupage. So what I'll do is I'll just remove the upper portion of this playing card, and I don't want the entire picture to come out. Even if I get some random pieces out of it, that's fine. So this is how I need to remove it. So now you can see it's very thin, and it is easily, we can decoupage it on the candle. I'll show you from the other side as well. It's not very difficult to take this backside part. So you can see this is how I'm taking it out. So in this way we have to separate the picture portion from the card. This is of no use. In a similar way, I have already cut these pieces from playing cards, and they are quite thin. So now what we have to do is we have to just make small pieces with the help of our hand, and we shouldn't use scissor over here, so that we can stick these pieces easily on the candle. So this is how I'll separate all the design, and then I'll show you how we can stick it on the candle. So I have separated all the pieces from the playing cards, and now I have taken this Mod Podge glue and I'll just take it out. And with the help of a flat brush, I'll start applying it on the candle. Make sure you don't apply it on the entire candle. Start sticking portion by portion. Since we have separated the cards from its back side, so they are getting stuck easily on the candle. I was thinking to decoupage these from a very long time, but I was not sure whether this method will work or not. But now it has turned out very amazing, and it's getting stuck very beautifully, because you don't get these tissue napkins of playing card print easily in the market. So this is the best way to reuse your old playing cards, and you can do it on any surface. I'm doing it on playing cards. You can do it on a playing card box, you can do it on a bottle, or you can do it on an old box. So it will look good on any surface. So I have finished sticking all the pieces of the playing cards, and I'll just roll the candle and show you. Now my Mod Podge is completely dried, and I'll seal my work with the help of another coat of Mod Podge. You can use 2 to 3 coats depending on the paper you have used. Since we have used a bit thicker paper as compared to tissue napkins, so it's advisable to give 2 coats from the top, so that this design will merge very easily with the candle. And if you wish, you can use varnish. Otherwise, in this project, even if you don't use it, that is okay, because this Mod Podge which I am using is a glossy Mod Podge. So even if you don't use varnish, that's fine. So this way I'll cover the entire candle, and I'll give 2 coats, and once it dries off, I'll show you how it looks. I have completed all the 2 coats, and I just thought, why not to highlight the edge of the candle using this acrylic black color. So I'm just taking a little bit of this black acrylic color, and with the help of sponge, I'll just do a dry brushing just on the edge of the candle, so that it gets highlighted, and it will increase the beauty of this candle. Very little of black acrylic color. Just a distressing kind of effect. You can even use the inks, distressed inks, if you want. So this is how. Also from the bottom. You can even use red color if you want over here, because these are the 2 main highlighting colors of playing cards. And that's it. Our beautiful playing card candle is ready. So guys, my beautiful decoupage candle is ready. So you have seen how easy it is to do decoupage with old playing cards, and it's a best reuse of old playing cards, best out of waste. So do give a try to this beautiful candle, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.